Imagine never worrying about your home's comfort again. Introducing HVAC monitoring, the new feature that takes your smart thermostat to the next level. It's completely free and connects your heating and cooling system to a trusted HVAC professional right in your neighborhood. Think of it as an extension of your security system, guarding your home's most critical appliance, your HVAC. Advanced AI monitors your system, detects issues early, and alerts you and your local HVAC professional before problems escalate. Stay informed. Get in-app snapshots of your system's health, including potential issues and areas for optimization. Our monthly reports provide valuable insights about energy usage and weather patterns, helping you identify ways to save money and prevent future problems. Gain control, save time and money, and enjoy true peace of mind about your home's comfort. Prevent problems. Stay comfortable. Enable HVAC monitoring today